Both eyes wide, ran right through all my options. Can't seem to keep my eyes bulged dry. Got tissues in my pockets. I'm sensitive, probably wanna duck when I throw a fit. Been through some shit, with my heart on my sleeve,